M15, M5 and M12, M15, capital M, capital M. Small letter m means summation will come, capital letter M means max term, pi will come, max term will come. Okay, so min term means it is sum of products, min term means it is sum of products. Now this is product of sum. Okay, max term, these are max terms, these are max terms, and it will have product of sum, it will have product of sum. Okay, and if you see, you start writing the lines, you start writing the lines, you are converting, you see the selection lines A, B, C are present in the selection lines, D is missing. Okay, if you compare the output function with the selection lines, if you compare output function with selection lines, so D variable is missing in the selection line. D variable is missing in the selection line. Also, they have told that somewhere MSB, A is MSB. There is, they have mentioned A is MSB. So LSB is missing. Okay. So D variable is LSB. So LSB variable is missing. So in that case, what we will do, if you take ABCD, if you take ABCD, and if you start writing the min terms 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, or max terms like this. Okay, 5, 6. And in max terms, 0 means normal form, 1 means complement form. You know that. Okay, 0 means normal form, 1 means complement form. So what we will do? So here 0 should come. 0 should come. So 1 means complement form. Okay, so 1 means complement form in max terms. I am writing all this in max terms. Or not to confuse you, if I go with min terms, it will be easy for understanding. Then I will come back to max terms. Okay, I will go with min terms. We know that 0 means all 4 zeros. 1 means 0001, 0010, 0011, 0100, 0101, like that. Okay, and if you see D variable, what is happening in the D variable? Alternatively, zeros and ones are coming. Alternatively, zeros and ones are coming. Okay, if you observe the D variable, if you start writing 6, 7, 8 like that, up to 15 is possible because 4 variables are there. Up to 15 is possible. 0, 110, 0, 111, 1, 000, like that. You observe only LSB term. You observe only the LSB term, D variable. Alternatively, it is coming 0101 like that. Okay. So what I will do, I will take D complement followed by D. Okay, this is the preparation of table. You have to prepare like this in order to set the inputs. You have to prepare like this in order to set the inputs. Okay, so first one is D bar, next is D. When I upload, you should not have any doubt in this. So my writing should be clear. I will take the missing variable in this direction. Missing variable D bar followed by D. Okay. So in min term 0 complement form, min term 1 normal form. Okay. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, because here you are going to have input 0, input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4, input 5, input 6, input 7 are present in the given diagram. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5 I have finished. Now under 6 it is 12, 13, 14 and 15. 14 and 15. These are the min terms possible. These are the min terms possible. If you see, in the given question, it is pi of 1, 5, 12, 15. Okay. So round off those terms only. Round off whichever terms given. Round off whichever terms given. Okay. And given is 1, 5, 12 and 15. 1, 5, 12 and 15. Okay. And if you see under I0, under I0 vertically. I am changing the color I0. Circle D is for 1. So D will be applied for input 0. And both are not circled. So it is, both are not circled. So input is 0. Okay. And here D bar should be the input. Input is 0, 0, 0. D should be the input and D bar should be the input. Okay. So if this sequence is present, D0, D bar, 0, 0, 0, D, D bar. Okay. Yes, they are
Last
asking max
super
term.
long
First, I
term.
will clear with min term. Okay, just I am explaining the procedure. I am explaining the procedure. The answer what I got, okay, is not available in the given options. Answer what I got is not available in the given options because from the beginning I am dealing with min terms. So all this I have done using min terms. All this preparation of table also, preparing table also, if they have given summation of, okay, if they have given summation of 1, 5, 12, 15, okay, final answer is this one. Whatever I got on the right side bottom, final answer is this one. But they have given max term. So you have to apply the, whatever calculations I have done, you have to apply in terms of max term. Okay. So in min term, it will be very easy for you to understand. That's why I started with min term. What I want you to understand is variable D. You see here variable D. Alternatively, they are coming 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 like that. Okay. So you have to write where all D bar complement is coming. Okay. So variable D complement form, where all complement form present. In 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, D is present in complement form. Okay. If they are, if you are making MSB as input, if you are making MSB as input, then you have to write horizontally 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. After 7, you have to go with 8, 9, 10 in the second line. Okay. So that procedure is different. If you are making MSB bit, if you are making MSB bit as input, selection line A is absent, then you have to go like that. Okay. All this discussion I have done with min terms. Now, if you go with max terms, this is a new question. Generally, min terms will be asked. Okay, generally, min terms will be easy to understand and min terms will be easy for calculation also. So, if they ask for max term, what you have to do? If they ask for max term, what you have to do? I have erased all the things which are not related to this question. Okay, now I am dealing with max term. I started with max term in the beginning, but to have a clear picture, you can correlate with the theory whatever you are studying. Okay, so it will be easy for understand if you take min term. That's the reason I have done everything with min term. Now I am going with max term calculation. If you take max term and if the variables are, if the variables are ABCD, if the variables are ABCD, and if 0, 1, 2, 3 present, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., 6, 7. If somebody doing along with me, if you are getting an answer, kindly post in the chat box. Kindly post in the chat box. So all zeros, how you will write this? All zeros. 0 means it is 4 zeros. 4 zeros. Okay. So max term 0, how you will write? Max term 0 means it is complement form means A plus B plus C plus D. This is the max term 0. Okay. So max term 1. Max term 1 means A plus B plus C plus D complement. This is max term 1. Okay. So in max term, 0 means normal form, 1 means complement form. 0 means normal form, 1 means complement form. If you follow that, you have to identify what about the variable D. You have to identify what about the variable D, how you have to write in the preparation table. Only that much. After that, everything will be easy. So 0, it is the same. No. So 0 means all zeros. that will be the same. A, B, C, D will come, and here A, B, C, D complement will come. A, B, C complement D will come. A, B, C complement D complement. This is max term 3. Okay. And if you still see here, if you still observe here, I think min term discussion you understood clearly. Okay. So max term, what is the small difference I have written on the top? Right top, I have written what is the small difference. So 4 means A, B complement, C, D. Okay. So 5 means A, B complement, C, D complement. Why I am writing all this? You observe LSB bit. You observe LSB bit. Again, LSB is coming alternatively complement version. LSB is coming alternatively complement version. Okay. So how you have to go about this? You prepare the table. You prepare the table. So D complement followed by D. Same table I will get. D complement followed by D, but I have to apply the max term logic. I have to apply the max term logic. Okay. So here you will get answer. Kindly try if you understood. So I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7 are the inputs present. I7 are the inputs present. Okay. Now, alternatively, they are complement. D is complement. So what I will do? In max term 0, D is complement. Max term 1. Okay. Sorry. First is D. So you understood what is the mistake I have done. First I have to write D, then followed by D bar. In earlier case, it was different. Okay, you need this max term writing, min term writing, only then you will be clear without wrong. You will get answer. First I have to write D, then followed by D complement, because in the max term 0, M0, in the max term M0, D is normal. Okay, D is normal variable. In max term 1, it is complement variable. 2, 3, 4, 5. This way, I should not write horizontally. Okay, in order to get this logic only, I am explaining so many things. So first time it will be heavy for you. Once you understand, it will be very, very easy. You will not go wrong. Okay, so 14, 15. 15 terms are possible. Max term or min term, 4 variables are there. So up to 15. Understood? Why I have written D first in the max term? When I write the max terms, okay, M0, M1 like this, M0, M1, M2, M3 like this, okay. You observe the LSB bit. You observe the D variable LSB bit. So first case, M0, it is coming normal. So I have to take first normal form in the preparation table. This is the preparation table for input pins. Preparation table for input pins. I have to take D first followed by D bar. So D bar is coming in max term 1. Again max term 3, D bar is coming. So all my writing should be first column, next column like that. Okay. Now in the given question, max term 1 is given, max term 5, max term 12, and max term 15. Okay, don't by heart anything. Don't by heart anything. Understand what I am trying to do. Same thing you have to apply. So in the first input pin, D bar should be given. First input pin, D bar should be given. Nothing is circled means 0. D bar is circled. Okay, nothing is circled here. So D is circled, then D bar is circled. Whether this answer is present in the option. So first one D bar, then 0, D bar, 000, D bar. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. One student requested me to record the class. Okay, so I have recorded. You need not worry what I have erased in the recording video. It is available. What is the difference with min term and max term? I have done. You can again check it in the recorded video. Okay, so you need not worry. The whatever I have erased for min term, you can recheck in the recorded video. If it is min term, you have to do like that. Now it is max term, so we are proceeding like this. We got option D as the correct answer. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. The right bottom, whatever I got, that is the final answer. Horizontally, right bottom, whatever I got, that is the final answer.